Alright guys, Dr. Chaz here. Got my equipment so you can hear me better. So, on to next month's theme, or this month's theme. Doctor Strange. So, open it up. Let's see what's inside. And we got pin cells here. I'll take them out right now. Patch and pin. There we go. Look. Oh, they really glued them in there this time. Patch. And the pin. Which is the eye of Agamotto. It's a nice green. Nice vibrant green. So, blind open, eh? Blind open. Outside in this beautiful weather. So don't mind any noises you hear, like the dogs or whatnot. They're all part of it. So, first up, we got cheat sheet, which we'll put in the back. We got, let's go with the comic. I feel a comic. Oh. Pretty cool. Sorry, bug. Yeah, it's a nice comic. Variant edition 1. Pretty cool. Next up, looks like we got a t-shirt. And let's open this puppy up. Check them out. See what it's like. See, this is my 4th box through Collector Corps. I missed out on the first year, man. I just missed the Deadpool by a couple days. I was mad about that, but so yeah. Wow. I like the shirt. It's pretty cool. I like the writing on it. Pop figure on it's pretty cool. I like the color. It's a nice navy bluish. It's nice, good fabric, soft. Oh yeah. All right, next up. Let's see. It's huge, so that's what she said. And we got the mug. Now, I don't drink coffee like I used to, so this mug, I don't know. Pull it out. See how. Alright, bam. There's a mug. Got all the styrofoam out. Ooh. Yeah, pretty cool. You know, just use that soup mug. Use a soup mug. You know, maybe something like that. Yeah. So we'll see. I mean, it's a nice mug. I mean, I have a Spider-Man one that doesn't get much use. Maybe now, since it's starting to cool down, start using it more. Maybe use this guy. We'll see. We'll see. And our last one, which is probably the pop. Yeah, got our, I don't know what it's called. So it's the levitation, transparency, outer worldly, whatever you want to call it. And it's a action pose, so take them out right quick. It's the little guy's birthday. And doesn't have a stand, but try to put him down so I can show you guys. So as you can see, floats. So that's everything. Looks pretty cool. Not too excited, but tickled my interest. I mean, looks pretty cool. All the stuff came out pretty nice. See how X-Men come out, because I'm not excited about that either. But hey, what are you gonna do? So what? Yep. See how X-Men comes out, and then whatever February is gonna be. You want to sign up? I'll leave a link down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and like always, let's get popping.